Witnessing the success of the Wuling HongGuang Mini EV, which is the best-selling electric vehicle in China, Dongfeng thought it would be a good idea to copy its recipe and announce the FenGuang Mini EV. Despite the similarities in the design, specs, and name, the two vehicles are completely unrelated, as SAIC's Wuling and Dongfeng are competitor brands. The Dongfeng FenGuang Mini EV adopts a two-box silhouette with vertical sides and rear end in order to make the best out of its compact footprint. The microcar is 2,995 mm, 117.9 inches, long, 1,495 mm, 58.9 inches, wide, and 1,640 mm, 64.6 inches, tall, with a wheelbase of 1,960 mm, 77.1 inches, all slightly larger than its main competitor. Overall, compared to the Wuling, it has nearly identical proportions, tiny wheels, and very similar lines on the fenders. However, a few details differentiate it from its obvious source of inspiration. Those include the black trim on the front bumper, the wider grille, the sculpted doors, the different window line, and the tail lights merging with a black trim piece that extends on the profile. In terms of powertrain, a single electric motor is producing 34 horsepower, 25 kilowatts, which is enough for a lightweight vehicle that will be used in urban environments. This also means that the FenGuang Mini EV will likely outperform the HongGuang Mini EV that has a 27 horsepower, 20 kilowatts, motor. What we don't know yet is the specifications of the battery pack and the estimated range. The Dongfeng FengGuang Mini EV will debut in the first quarter of 2022 with an affordable price that is expected to start from around $5,000. Besides the Wuling HongGuang Mini EV, other competitors include the Cherry QQ ice cream, the Baojun E300 EV, the Baozi Daxiong, and the slightly larger Chang'an Benban E-Star. We are not sure if Dongfeng will be interested in exporting the microcar following the example of the Dart 3Z, although this seems highly unlikely.